Welcome to La Rio Studios. Tonight we travel back 11,000 years to a place that should not exist, Göbekli Tepe, in Turkey. A massive complex, older than Stonehenge and the pyramids. Stone circles, T-shaped pillars, carvings of animals, symbols, and phallic statues. Yes, symbols of fertility, power, and creation. Official archaeology says they were rituals of hunter-gatherers. But what if it wasn't that simple? Imagine the world after the last ice age, humanity nearly erased. And suddenly, at Göbekli Tepe, monumental constructions appear impossible for a so-called primitive society. Who taught them to move these stones, to design temples, to carve cosmic symbols? Some believe the phallic statues were calls for life, rituals to reseed humanity, to invoke fertility after the cataclysm. Others think they were bridges to the divine, reminders that creation comes from the union of humans with gods. And here comes the conspiracy. What if Göbekli Tepe was not built to worship, but to summon? A stone beacon, calling the ancient visitors the same beings and not called the Watchers. The Sumerians, the Anunnaki, asking them to return and restore humanity. The phallic statues would not be mere fertility symbols. They would be codes of creation, a message saying, "We are ready, walk among us again." The official story tells us it was hunters worshipping life. But the forbidden story whispers something else. That Göbekli Tepe was the 0 point of a human restart. A place where gods and men sealed a pact, so humanity would never vanish again. So the question remains, was Göbekli Tepe a primitive temple, or the first cosmic call for humanity to return to its path?